Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Liquid Tension Experiment, and we are going to react to Acid Rain.
Let's get started. We have heard this song in the past, we won't lie.
About a year or more.
Yeah, so it's not the first time we are listening to it. Both of us heard it together.
Yeah.
And it's been almost 2 years, I think, since we've heard it. 1.5 years or more, for sure.
But I'm happy to listen to it.
Yeah, I think we are happy to listen to it again. I just hope the quality is really good, audio quality.
Should be good.
It's a request of our patron Jeffrey. We've heard some great music in today's session, as well as earlier today. We've had 2 or 3 sessions today. This is the 3rd session actually. So we've heard some great music, and which is probably already online for you. And now we're going to listen to some music, metal music.
Yeah.
It's called power metal, right? The genre, as we can see, is power metal.
Okay.
So, Liquid Tension Experiment, it is a super group from what we know
Yeah.
and what we remember. Acid Rain for our patron Jeffrey. Let's get started. It's not a first time reaction, so it's all about listening to the music and sharing our thoughts. It's been a long while, so it should be interesting.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, before we go to Kirti, I must throw in one line very quickly. Any reactor who pauses this kind of song,
That is criminal.
this kind of song while listening to it, while reacting to it, it's like a criminal offense in my humble opinion. They don't deserve to be reacting to music. A music lover, at least they aren't music lovers. A music lover will always listen to music like this uninterrupted. I had some trouble with my headphones in the middle. I wanted to get the best
Because of
out of
hair
it
cutting meeting?
with my equalizer set that is attached. Wanted to get the best out of it, but that doesn't mean I pause it and give my two-piece comments. We'll never do it. It should be heard in one go. I tried to get the best out of it in one go, but I could immediately sense that many other people out there just can't do it like the way we do it. They will pause it and give their two-piece comments, read through comments, make a good assessment of what to say, give their fake, exaggerated, over-the-top reviews. In other words, totally dishonest. But we won't do that. Anyway, over to Kirti. I'm done. You could see by my reaction how much I enjoyed it. Any music like Dream Theatre's music is music to savor really. I'm a fan and actually people haven't really seen a review of that song. If I remember correctly, it didn't even go online.
Probably.
Something went wrong
something
and it
went
got
wrong.
blocked or didn't
Maybe
get claimed.
we kept it mute.
It was with the video. In those days, we would react with the video at times. So it didn't go
weren't clear
through.
with all the
Something didn't go
guidelines,
through,
yeah.
and we had to, delete it. So it hasn't even gone online, if I remember correctly. So
Okay,
this is the
that
first
is
time
great.
people are even hearing our review.
Yeah.
If we hadn't said it, we could have got away like all the other reactors do by saying it's the first time
Yeah.
honest review. Anyway, we all know better. Music lovers understand and can analyze them correctly. They may fool the world, but not a real music lover. What are your thoughts?
Do you know the best part of it is the way the pace of your speech was so fast, and not because we both were playing the music, because we were with the pace of the music. We were already in the fast thinking, fast moving, even while sitting down. We were brain wise and listening wise, we were at that level. So when Savi was speaking, he was super duper fast because of the effect of the music. This piece, Acid Rain, was mind blowing first time that I heard it, and today I would say it is 2 times more mind blowing than the first time I heard it.
Yeah, we should do this more often, even if it doesn't get us too many views and subscribers.
Yeah.
It is for us both ultimately. So we should do it more often because at least for songs like that,
Yeah.
which we know,
Not
it can really, get the best out of us, or at least we can really enjoy it. So we should do it
There
more
is
often
definitely
because
a thrill in listening to it for the
Yeah.
first time, but when you listen to it
No.
second, third, fourth time, you understand it much better.
to be,
you connect with
to
it
be
much better.
honest, I don't really remember much of it, And so when I heard it today, I remember it was a great song. But when I heard it today, it just was amazing. It was
A
a
new
mind,
level of appreciation.
kind of like a mind-blowing, out-of-body experience listening to music like this. You just want to get out of your body and jump and dance and sing. Literally
As if no
sing
one's
like the
watching.
guitar as if no one's watching. It's that kind of an experience listening to music like that. And not too many people will get that. I understand that. Because this is music which certain people have a taste or they don't like it. So it's one or the other for music like that. For me, I totally got into it. I totally enjoyed it. And fortunately, so did Kirti.
Yeah.
So that's about enough for us to say really. We heard it, we enjoyed it, we did the best, and we are honest enough to admit that we have heard it and reacted to it in the past. But for you, it's still a first time of watching how we reacted to it, even though it's our second time listening to it.
And thank you, Jeffrey, for really making the names with the artist and the roles that they play, the instruments that they play. It helps the listeners, the real music lovers, it helps them understand what was done, what exactly it is, and gives acknowledgement to the musicians involved.
Jeffrey is one of the only patrons who's been doing that.
Yeah.
We have been emphasizing the importance of musicians in a band or a group, or for a solo artist mainly. We've been emphasizing the important role those musicians play and they often don't get credit on album covers, whether vinyl records or CD albums or downloads. They never get the credit they deserve. So it's not only about the money. Obviously, for any musician, it's not just about the money. It's also about the appreciation, the fame, the getting recognized for their craft. So we've always made it a point, and unfortunately, the only patron or two, one of them is Jeffrey, one is someone else who's no longer with us, I think. But only one patron right now understands the importance of giving credit to the other musicians who are part of it, not just the name of the band that matters or the artist, also who's been part of it. Because they've all contributed to what we heard in our ears and what you will also hear. Listen to this with your headphones. To make it better for you, I'll mute out whatever might have come during the song on our part, so you get to hear only the music along with us. I do that very rarely because I like to keep it through. Anything that we may have muttered or said, you should be able to hear as well. But in this case, since we didn't really say anything,
No.
I think we can mute it out to give you a great experience. That's it for this one. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.